Alright, let's get real for a second. You've probably seen those Chime ads, right? The ones promising no fees, early paychecks, and all that good stuff. But have you ever stopped to wonder, is Chime actually a bank? I mean, it sounds too good to be true. Now, I know what you're thinking. Duh, of course it's a bank. Well, hold your horses there, champ. Because the answer might surprise you. Let's break it down. On the surface, Chime looks like a typical bank. You can deposit money, withdraw cash, transfer funds, and even get a debit card. But here's the kicker, Chime isn't actually a bank. It's what we call a fintech company. Now, what does that even mean? Well, fintech is short for financial technology. These are companies that use technology to offer financial services. Think of them as the tech-savvy rebels of the banking world. They're shaking things up and offering alternatives to traditional banks. So, if Chime isn't a bank, then where does your money go? Good question. Chime partners with actual banks, like the Bancorp Bank and Stride Bank. These are the ones who hold your money and make sure it's safe and sound. Think of Chime as the cool, trendy front end and the banks as the boring, but reliable back end. But why go through all this trouble? Why not just open an account with one of those partner banks directly? Well, that's where Chime's magic comes in. They've built a user-friendly platform that makes banking less of a chore. No more waiting in long lines or dealing with confusing paperwork. Chime offers features that traditional banks often don't, like early access to your paycheck and fee-free overdrafts. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While Chime offers many perks, it also has its limitations. For example, you might not have as many physical branches to visit if you need in-person help. And let's face it, sometimes there's just something about handing over a physical check that feels more secure. But hey, that's the beauty of choice. You can weigh the pros and cons and decide if Chime is the right fit for you. Maybe it's perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle. Or maybe you prefer the traditional brick-and-mortar experience. So, is Chime a real bank? Technically, no. But does it offer real banking services? Absolutely. It's a fintech company that's managed to capture the attention of millions by offering a fresh approach to money management. Now, before I wrap this up, let's talk about some of the common misconceptions about Chime. A lot of people think it's just a prepaid card. Nope, it's a full-fledged checking account. Others might wonder if their money is safe. As long as you use Chime's partner banks, your funds are FDIC insured, just like any other bank account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your finances in check.